Today is a special day. And the special day is being alive. So being alive, I have to be myself and to surprise my wife. Wherever she is. I'll go in here first in her beauty room and see if she in here. Not there. Not there. Oh, all right. Go somewhere else. Down, 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 down. Not here. Where she normally sit. Not there. What? Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dee, 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 dee. That's Pee-Pee. Oh, she's asleep. Can't show y'all her sleeping now. Alright, we'll do it later. Bye. Well, can't surprise her anymore. 3 hours later. Now, where did I put the grapes? Grief. Yeah. Y'all know the music started playing again. But this is not a surprise anymore because I'm the one that got the surprise earlier, about 3 hours ago. So so I'm just gonna go and give it to her because I still got to deliver. Here she goes.
Surprise!
Dun, dun, dun.
Thank you, baby. I'm
Now,
sorry I ruined your surprise.
Well,
I was so sleepy.
There she goes. And now I am through. I have finished my mission. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this driveway coming up to the house like we did all that stuff back there. Just got the rain we need to cut the grass and stuff. But I also bought my new car. So last time we talked, and it's not the Mercedes, that's Matt's car. That's my van. We're traveling. Anyway, I'm gonna cover this, not dig it up, but cover it and get it all done. And this morning, what I'm doing, we're gonna cover it from the driveway all the way back in here, carport area. I bought my new car. Here it is. Hello, Kitty. This is my new little car. See her beautiful eyes, and she just smiling. That's my new car. Convertible for the old dude, old school, okay? Anyway, this is what we're going to do. You see me, we're going to cover all this back here. We already did that back there. We did that last year sometime. Anyway, we did all that. But now we're going to do this. And what I'm doing right now is, y'all know I always like doing things, helping my wife, love her to death. I'm putting handles on the cabinets that we bought. And we bought the handles too. And to make it look good, because we remodeling the house, bathroom, kitchen, just Sweet Angel is so happy. When she got money, she happy. I don't know why. Why would she get happy when she got money? She don't have it long though. But anyway, I'm doing that, and I'm also cooking. See the grill. Y'all remember me making this grill back here some years ago? Well, let's walk out here. And I painted the dog houses. They are so cute. I would put doors on, but they don't know how to open the door. Y'all remember me making this little grill? And the guy looking like a little choo-choo train. Put some big wheels on the back and some little wheels on the front. And see there? That's what we do. That's what I do. I love doing stuff like this. And we're gonna get I got some chops and some country ribs I'm gonna put on there. And I got a whole stick of bologna that I'm gonna show you in a minute. But anyway, I'm going to get the food and I'll be back. Okay? Can you hear me now? Huh? Can you hear me? All right. This is what we're doing. Part here. And I got my And when you don't have time to really clean your grill properly, then you get some oil and put on the grill. I don't know if you see it going on there or not, but I'm a poor man and I don't have any money to hire me a camera person. So therefore, we'll look at it later. If you don't see it now, you don't have to worry about the smoke getting on your pork chops because it's coming to the top of the grill anyway and it's falling back down on the chop. I tell you what, the smoke is getting to me, but I don't have my glasses. I'm gonna try to suffer through it. Now I got a little stick of bologna, and this needle, if you're not aware, you know, I know I'm not telling you something you don't already know, but I use it just when you season your food with like a stick of bologna, ham, or turkey or something. You get the season and you mix the season up and you, just like a needle when doctor give you a shot, hopefully not this big. And you stick it in, and then you bag it up a hair, and you put the if you can see it going in, like that. Yes. And I don't want to wait for a minute. Come out like that. And then you just lay it on the ground like that. And what I'm using is I normally don't advertise people stuff unless they pay me. But it's pretty good. Our Big Daddy's, I guess it's here in Memphis, I don't know. Yeah, it does say Memphis, Tennessee. That Big Daddy's, and it tastes pretty good. I have to say, it tastes pretty good. And so grab your bottle. Okay, help out Big Daddy, whoever he is. Black or white, who knows, who cares? Because, you know, we all bleed, and all our blood is what? Red. So that's it. And we're going to let that lay there for a minute. And then I come back, and I will turn it. Take it in. So I'm going to use Big Daddy on my chip, everything. Got Big Daddy. This is a Big Daddy today, so over time, because it's not the sauce I normally use. I just put it away. And the sauce I normally use, my own mix. Some people say, man, you need to put this on the market. Yep, but it costs money to get it on the market. And I watch Shark Tank. Unless you don't spend $500,000 to get the product going, you know, they're not gonna loan you any money to help you out, which is their business. So therefore, I just make my own enjoy, the family enjoy, and that's what we do. Hey, we're going back to drilling holes and the cabinets. Okay, what we're doing here is putting the knobs on the cabinets, and Sweet Angel said she want them in the center. So what we going? And she found this little gadget here online somewhere. You know, she'll tell you more about it. All right. But what we're doing to get it in the center, got a little screwdriver here that probably the dentists might use. I mean, people doing eyeglasses use tighter screws. I use it for what I'm doing. So what we got right here, we got 28. So half of 28 will be 14. We go back to 14 right there. So what I'm doing, I'm putting the mark right here. Putting the mark right down at 14. That's halfway the door. So you can see the mark right there. That's halfway the door. So we'll come over here and do the same thing. Stand up. But must be drunk. You fall now. I already got my mark. Fall over here. Do what you do. And that's that. So what we do right here, we do in the house. So if you can see, and I hope you can, got some little lines right there, which when you order one, you'll see it. A little line right here, up here, up here, up here. So this is, and then I also got them on the other side. Right here. So this side here that we're gonna use, okay? See, this is what I did. I just read here. So we got the bottom line right here, and this is the hole right here. So what I do, I come over here and put these lines here and find my mark. Okay, that's my mark right there. So that's halfway right here. So when I come up here, so I just make a little scar there. Scar there, and come down here and do the same thing. Scar there. So now you got your holes, 1, 2. And go to the other side and do the same thing. There's my line. Can't hardly see that one. I gotta make it a little bit heavy. We're gonna paint this again anyway, shit. Scar up, paint again. Cause you got to have it right. If you can't do it right, don't do it at all. Alright, so we're coming off in here on that end. Twist it. Come on this end. Twist it. Now you got 2 holes. Okay? So not to waste your time or mine. The drill. They got a point on it. This is especially drill. All drills good, but this one drill holes. I drill holes. Make sure you got it up straight. Knock the trash away. Make sure the drill stop. And that's that. Trash away. It all go away when you're standing up. You know, when you're standing, it's all the fall out. You know, spitting. Knock the shit out of that too. So now to the hell. Shoot. Try to do it so you can see what's going on. Because I know what I'm doing. I just want you to see. So stick it through from on the side. Tighten up with your hand. Take this one on the side. Tighten up with your hand. And then you get your screwdriver. I hope I'm not out of sight, but anyway, I'm doing what I do. You got time. Like I said, can't afford me a cameraman, so I just do what I do. And I hope you understand. If you don't understand, look at it again. So now we got our hand up. You gotta do it 3 times. I won't stop crying around. One day. And the same thing on this side. Okay? Oh, the cameraman showed up. I just kidding, that's me back here. And Get the screws and well, they're gonna put a handle on this side. So if somebody get closed in, they can tighten the door down on them tighter. Okay? Trying to hide. You know what I mean? Get up in the cab and hide. So that one don't want to go. It's not a pretty big long. Just the right screw. Hey, it's a little short one. These two are not the same length. So I gotta go in the house. I got some more in the house I found. Got that one hooked. And okay. And that's the way it's done, baby. So we're going to, got one more diff right there. We got another one sitting up here. It's finished right there. So now we're gonna move this one over. So we're gonna let my wife, SWEETANGEL, she remind me of Anna Griffith when Otis went to A.B. house and she put him to work, and she worked Otis so hard, Otis trying to slip away. So this is the way SWEETANGEL, she would act just like this. I be trying to get away and she catch me and she say, back to it? Back to it? So I go back and go to work again. Hey look, we're not gonna, gotta go out there and finish cooking. And the grill is going pretty good. Okay, we back out here at the grill, and let's see what's going on. Everything's looking pretty good, even the bologna, doing fine. You know, when you grill, I really don't like using foil when I'm grilling, but today I had no choice because I didn't have time to clean off the grill itself. So I put the foil on to keep my meat clean, you know what I mean? But only thing about using the foil, all the drippings, if you can see, all this little glunk that came out the meat, it normally drops into the fire. But today, it did not drop in the fire because the foil was there. So I recommend, and I'm going to do it myself from now on, take time to clean your grill and all the nasty mess here will be inside the fire. But the food itself is clean. It look great. It look like I need about another 20 or 30 minutes because the grill is doing fine. It's doing just like I want it. It's not blazing, it's just heat. And that's what you need for your meat. In any meat, you need a little heat. You know what I mean? That's the way you do it. And I'm finna go in the house now with my cabinets because we're gonna let this, excuse me for leaning in front of the camera, but that's the way it is sometimes. So, we're going to go in the house, talk to you.